The question I get a lot about here when I work with clients is about the nerves that they experience. And sometimes it's weeks before, the night before they can't sleep, or just hour before, or 2 minutes before, just when they are being introduced. So, what I want to speak about today is that whole process of coming into a time when you're going to be in front of the spotlight and you know that all eyes are going to be on you, and that is what's scaring you. So, one of the ways to prepare is to begin to imagine your audience. No, not that they have no clothes on. No, it's about imagining them as people who are sitting in their seats, eager and ready to listen to you. That's one thing. And the second is about looking for the good, not the critics, so that the speaking, actual speaking in the moment with these folks becomes more pleasant, more joyful, because you've got an exchange going on. So the anticipation is mainly what I'm talking about today. Anticipating a good experience for yourself, a connection with people who want to listen to what you have to say. You can find more tips at Doreen7steps.com.